Hello Mini Musos, it's Scott from Fun-Keys for Kids here, and today we're going to learn a new song called When the Saints Go Marching. So for this song we're going to need all of our fingers, so we're going to use finger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we're going to place them on the notes C, D, E, F and G. So we have C, D, E, F and G with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each of these notes has their own penguin on this worksheet, which will follow as we play the song. So to find our hand position, we play our 2 black keys, and in the middle we find D, and that is finger 2. So the song goes like this. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 3, 2. So that is the first part of the song. If you made it this far, good job. Here comes the second part. So we start on number 3. 3, 3, 2, 1. 3, 5, 5, 4. 3, 4, 5. 3, 1, 2, 1. And that is the end of the song When the Saints Go Marching. If you made it all the way to the end, well done! I'll see you next time. Bye!